Now, starting Monday, museums, art galleries, and libraries in the Seoul metropolitan area are reopening. This comes as the number of new COVID-19 infections is on a steady downtrend. Despite that, high-risk facilities in the capital are still being asked to abide by stricter quarantine rules. Our Yoon Jung-min starts us off.
South Korea is reopening museums, galleries, and libraries in Seoul and its surrounding areas as the COVID-19 situation in the capital seems to be improving. They must only allow a certain number of visitors to prevent overcrowding, while a QR code verification system will be used to manage the list of people coming in. Visitors are asked to abide by quarantine measures.
In the early stages, facilities should limit the number of visitors, introduce an electronic registration system, and visitors are asked to wear face masks. We'll allow more visitors in faces.
The reopenings come more than a month since the government imposed stricter rules on those facilities in late May because of a spike in number of COVID-19 cases due to cluster infections. 10 major museums, including the National Museum of Korea, will only allow up to 30% of the maximum number of people that would normally be allowed in. Reservation must also be made in advance. 8 major art facilities, including the National Theater of Korea, are limiting the number of visitors by 50%. 12 kinds of high-risk facilities, including bars and karaoke rooms, will still be asked to limit the number of people and abide by the government's strict quarantine rules. Also, people will still not be allowed to attend professional sports events, including baseball and soccer matches. Authorities say a decision on reopening them will largely depend on the number of new infections in Seoul. South Korea's capital area has seen a little over 10 new COVID-19 infections on average over the past 2 weeks, down from 19 during the previous 2 weeks. Yoon Jung-min, Arirang News.